Hi YouTube. This is a little video to query fixing this camcorder, which if you can see, it's not gonna focus because it hates me. But the video is up. There we go. You see, that is not how my skin looks like. The picture is really messed up of this, so I'm gonna see what I can do. To start, I've taken out the battery. Let's see. I previously did some work, quote unquote, trying to fix this battery issue, which I fixed, but obviously new issue crop up, so I'm gonna try taking out the side of it. Okay, so I've taken off the front assembly, and this seems to be a step in the right direction because I've actually got this loose, which I didn't manage to do before somehow. So, let's see. If anything, my assumption is this would be what's driving this. If I can even show the camera. This little ribbon should be it. Let's see if I just try to push it in. Maybe just my fingies, and if I put the battery back in, let's see what happens. I can remember how to put it in. Interesting. Which I'm assuming is because I've taken everything out. Well, it could just be a case of giving it a clean, which is probably more likely. But I will still gut it, like take away all the parts, because oops, go with this and this. And the good thing about these is, if this will focus, okay, well it won't focus, but there's little arrows here to show you where to take these things apart. So I think I'll just keep dismantling and I'll come back when I'm done. Okay, wait. I'm back early. If I can follow, as you can see here, I can follow this cable back around, and I am right. This is the connector. So I'm just going to try to put some pressure on it to try to fit it in properly. Otherwise, I'm not really sure what the issue could be. Unless it's within this screen bit, which would be easy to take out, so let's try to do a reassembly, and if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Okay, so I think I've low-key messed up something. But that's okay. That's okay. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, time for a test. Close up. Battery port should be fine from what I'm looking at. Yep, suspicions were confirmed. Let's see. Ooh, that is, if you can see, still the same. Next choice is probably to open up the screen and see what I could do in there. Should be a bit of a headache, but okay, final verdict. From what I can see, let's see if you can even see the screen. It's kind of like it seems to be like an issue with the display itself, which I kind of don't care to fix. These are not really highly coveted. I only have this because I do not want to buy an actual digital camera. Those are like far too much money that I don't have. So I think I'm just using some broken screen. Kind of a fail, but you know what? It makes taking the photos a bit more fun. Yeah, it's kind of, I don't know. Whatever. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.